Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain Flutter tutorial using VS Code. First, download the Flutter SDK and add its bin folder to your system's path. Next, install Visual Studio Code, a powerful editor, and then search for the Flutter extension in its marketplace. This extension provides excellent support for Dart and Flutter development. Finally, open the integrated terminal and run Flutter Doctor to ensure all components are correctly installed and configured, preparing you for your first project. Visual Studio Code offers powerful features that make Flutter development a breeze. Its famous hot reload capability lets you see changes almost instantly, often in less than 1 second, dramatically speeding up your iteration cycles. The robust integrated debugger helps you pinpoint issues quickly, allowing you to step through your code line by line. Intelligent code completion and syntax highlighting also reduce errors and boost your productivity, making coding a more enjoyable experience. When comparing development environments for Flutter, Visual Studio Code stands out for several reasons. It's incredibly lightweight, typically consuming less than 200 megabytes of RAM, and launches in just a few seconds, unlike heavier integrated development environments. Its vast extension marketplace allows for deep customization, tailoring the environment precisely to your needs. This combination of speed, flexibility, and dedicated Flutter support makes VS Code an excellent choice. To maximize your Flutter development efficiency in VS Code, adopt some best practices. Always maintain a clean and logical project structure. This helps with long-term maintainability, especially in larger applications. Leverage Flutter's powerful widget system to create highly responsive and adaptable user interfaces. Remember to keep your Flutter SDK and VS Code extensions updated to benefit from the latest features. Finally, consider exploring state management solutions as your applications grow in complexity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.